Hey, what's up guys? Once again welcome back to my channel. Firstly subscribe my channel and enjoy simple practice drawing. So let's start. So this is our SolidWorks interface. Firstly we need to show all the planes. This is our sketch. Firstly we need to draw the rectangle of the 100 by 60 mm. So firstly we need to select one plane. So we are choosing front plane and click on sketch. Then choose the rectangle command. You can also choose the center rectangle and give the dimensions to the both sides, that is 100 by 70 mm, and we need to shift this rectangle to the center. So we need to give the dimensions up to the rectangle with the reference of the origin, which becomes the object center automatically. Then exit sketch and go to the extrude boss and choose the thickness as 30 mm. Click on OK. This looks like more bulky, so we can reduce the boss extrude length. Reduce it up to 30 mm. Click on OK. Then our next step is to draw the frontal extrude circle. Then click on the front face of the object and click on sketch. Draw the circle at the center and give the dimension to that circle, which is 50 mm diameter. Then go to the extrude and choose the extruded length as 20 mm, which is as per our sketch, and click on OK. Now we move to our next step. Now we need to draw the top circle and rectangle, which is placed at the top of our object. So select the top face of our object and click on sketch. Press Ctrl 8 and then draw the random circle and give the dimension to that circle, that is circle diameter as 20. And center to edge distance as 15 and to the right as 15. Then exit sketch, click on extrude boss and select the extrude length as 10 mm. We can also reduce the length as 5 mm and click on OK. Now we need to draw the square at the top. Then click on top plane and click on sketch. Then choose the rectangle. Draw the rectangle. Give the smart dimensions, that is 10 mm by 10 mm square, and give the dimensions from the right to center of the rectangle as 12 mm, and similarly to the right to rectangle as 12 mm and click on OK and exit sketch. Go to the extrude boss and select the thickness as, or the extruded length as 5 mm. Then we need to draw the central portion. Then we select the right plane and click on sketch. So we just draw the line at the back side and give the dimension as 10 mm. And draw the taper line from that point and give the dimension as 45 degrees. And also we extend the line from the 10 mm to frontal side, and we can trim the remaining portion. We'll get the object. We need to constrain it, so we need to connect remaining points by the line command and exit sketch. Go to the extrude boss and select the extruded length to direction 1 as 15 mm and similarly to the direction 2 as 15 mm. Click on OK. This is our sketch. Our sketch is completed. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel.